Sustainability has become a key topic in data center infrastructure considerations as many companies strive to reach new environmental goals. Hi, my name is Derek Barboza, and today I'll demonstrate the energy usage, power consumption, and use phase carbon footprint analysis feature in Dell CloudIQ. This feature gives you insights to make the best sustainability decisions about workload consolidation, IT footprint reduction, and energy-efficient technology refresh. CloudIQ is Dell's AIOps application for Dell infrastructure. It monitors health, performance, capacity, and cybersecurity for Dell storage, servers, network, hyperconverged, and data protection systems. From the Monitor Carbon Footprint menu in CloudIQ, you can display Use Phase Carbon Footprint Analysis. Carbon Footprint is currently supported for Dell PowerEdge servers, VxRail hyperconverged infrastructure, Dell Unity storage, and Connectrix storage area network switches. Additional Dell infrastructure products will continue to be added. The top banner provides a total of all systems for carbon emissions and energy usage. Carbon emissions calculations are based on location-specific emission factors provided by the International Energy Agency and industry average power utilization effectiveness values. CloudIQ administrators can override these default values with their location's unique emission factors. You can display the total carbon emissions chart as a bar chart or line chart to display a year-to-date trend of total emissions. Each system is listed in table format, showing the system identifier and location, along with year-to-date energy usage and energy forecast, year-to-date carbon emissions and carbon emissions forecast, and power consumption. Custom tags are also available to help filter the table. You can also export the table to a CSV file for additional reporting needs. Selecting the details icon for a system in the table shows 7-day charts for energy consumption and carbon emissions. The blue line shows actual usage. The range of expected usage is shown as the gray shaded area. CloudIQ determines the expected range based on machine learning. When shown together, you can quickly see if there are any unexpected anomalies or changes in patterns. Checking the Forecast button provides a forecast for each of these charts along with a confidence range. The Workloads tab tracks energy consumption and carbon emissions for workloads on each system. This will show storage objects for storage systems and virtual machines for servers and hyperconverged infrastructure. These insights help you make better sustainability decisions for future workload placements. For example, an underutilized system can be an inefficient use of energy. You can migrate its workloads to another system to improve overall energy efficiency. Here, you can see the capacity of all your systems and help you decide where to move workloads to economize on energy consumption and which systems to power down or retire. Metadata can also help you make workload consolidation decisions, such as which systems should be reserved for receiving certain workloads, such as financial, manufacturing, or human resource applications. Seeing your system's energy efficiency and their overall health issues, related metrics, and service contract status helps you make informed decisions about refreshing them with new technology that will provide higher performance, capacity, and energy efficiencies, and reduce your IT footprint. Dell recognizes the challenges of sustainability. CloudIQ's rich analytics and easy visualization helps you reach better sustainability outcomes faster. This concludes today's demo. Thanks for watching. For additional information, visit CloudIQ on the Dell Technologies website and the Dell Technologies Info Hub, shown here.